What is going on, everyone? It's Brody back here with another video from Stellhorn RV, and today we are going to take a look at this 2026 Salem FSX 174DBLE by Forest River. Let's take a look. Alright guys, before we get into the full floor plan of this model, let me give you guys some highlights. So this 174DBLE, it is 22 feet long, it sleeps 6 people, it's about 3,200 pounds, 3,229 to be exact, and it has bunks. So guys, it's a smaller compact camper, but it's still meant to fit the whole family. So if you guys are looking for a camper and you're kind of a first-time camper, maybe new into this sphere, this is definitely a great model to check out. Especially you can still stay at a light budget here with this model, and it is towable by a lot more vehicles than those longer, heavier travel trailers with the slide outs. All right, let's dive into the floor plan. Here we have this queen-sized RV bed. It's pretty comfortable, pretty typical. It's not like some crazy bed that you can have at your house, but it's not bad to sleep with. Then up here we've got some overhead storage, as you can see. You can put some shoes up there, maybe some clothes. Then a nice little closet, kind of small if you're using, I guess, the storage for 2 people. Kind of small, not a crazy amount of storage for shirts. Then I also believe, hold on guys, give me a second. All right, there we go. So there is under bed storage in here as well that is accessible from the outside. It is not a complete pass-through, which does kind of stink at times, but you at least have access to that storage under the bed, inside and outside of the camper. Right up here, don't get thrown off, this is not a real TV, guys. It's just a piece of cardboard that Forest River likes to put in there. Kind of wish they would automatically just give you guys the TV. That'd be a lot better, but comes with some models, but unfortunately not this one. But this is going to be where your TV backer is, so you can hook up your TV there as well. Here we have the kitchen area. What is nice is there is a lot of overhead storage in the kitchen. So if you're bringing a lot of people with you, like if there's 4 or even 6 of you, you could use some of that storage up there for clothes and stuff like that. If not, you can always put pots, pans, and cooking supplies up there as well. Here we've got the little mini fridge. It does have a lot of different storage shelves. Like I say, not crazy big, but at least you get a nice fridge with a decent amount of shelves in there. Nice little sink here. Then a decent amount of storage below the sink. We have 3 drawers here as well. Pretty typical size. 2-burner cooktop right here with some nice little accent blue lighting. And then what you do also get is you do get the dinette, which is nice. A lot of campers this size, you know, they're not going to give you, they're going to give you a really tiny dinette, especially with this not having a slide, it is kind of cool that you do get that L-shaped dinette. Once again, more overhead storage here as well. Easy access from the bunks. Right over here we have our kind of control panel here that controls the lights and the awning and the water pump, water heater, all that good stuff. And yeah, guys, it is 41 degrees in here, so it is a little chilly here in Indiana. So hands are a little chilly filming this video, but here's the bunks. Pretty good sized bunks. Really, if you wanted to, you could fit 2 people in there if you're really wanting to save or bring a lot of people, I guess. Right here, nice little vent fan up top. Into the bathroom here. Nice mirror with some accent lighting. Little sink there. Decent amount of storage underneath the vanity. And guys, I will say this is a smaller bathroom, but you know, they're trying to save space in this 22-foot camper and trying to manage to give you all of the features that you would normally expect. So yeah, guys, that kind of covers the inside of this camper. Kind of goes over the floor plan and kind of the features that you're gonna get here with this 174 DBLE. Let me know what you guys thought in the comment section below. I mean, I think it's very compact, definitely, but it kind of brings together everything that you would get in a bigger travel trailer. It just kind of condenses it down. So if you're kind of looking for a smaller travel trailer that can still sleep a decent amount of people, that's in your budget range, this is definitely a great camper to look at. If not, it can definitely feel a little compact. But yeah, guys, come check it out in person if you guys would like. We're here in Kokomo, Indiana. And guys, when I upload this, it is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to everyone who's watching, if you're watching. But yeah, guys, that's gonna cover it, and we will see you in the next video.